Yeah, we are in the place to be.
Alright, so today we are going to head back under the puppy bad boy willow tree, and we are going to be unboxing a very special prize for the Mrs. Bears. But before we get to that box, we first have to make sure that we have the proper environment, the proper scenario for the situationalization. And so, in order to do that, we have to get the puppy bad boy license plate 2.0. Oh, it's got these weird hooks, but you get the point. You've done something that very few RedTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,200 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the opportunity to eat many, many tacos in the near future. Sincerely, Susan Watch Kiki, CEO, RedTube. What an honor. All right, so the reason we're here today is because I got yet another free thing, and you guys know I love getting that free stuff. I love opening it up for you guys, showing it off. Now, I just gotta let you know, I'm not being paid to do this video, but what we have here is we have something that obviously, you know, they want you to buy. They want you to check it out, and they want you to see it. So they sent me one for free. We have the Bully Make box designed for Power Bales chewers. Hey, come here. Hey, Biz, are you a power chewer? Well, we got something for you, Mrs. Bears. All right, Biz, check it out. What do we got? What do we got in here? We got all kinds of stuff. We got all kinds of stuff for the Bears. What do we got? What's this? What's this, Bears? Do we got a dino cookie? A dino treat? What do we got? Come on, let's get it out. Let's get it out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Bears. We got the Bully Make fresh raindrops. So we got plenty of raindrops to go around right now, falling all over us. But you know, we'll give the Bears some more fresh raindrops. Look at these, look at these. They smell like freaking raindrops. Wow, that's impressive that they got the smell so correctly. And then we're gonna give the Bears some fresh raindrops. The Bears loves them. She's a big fan. What else do we got? We got the Bully Make pumpkin pies. As you can see, the Bears is quite a fan. And then next, we got the Bully Make chicken stickins that the Bears is just so desperate for. Look at her. You want chicken stickin', Bears? Does she want a chicken stickin'? You're gonna have to go sit. Then you're gonna have to go down. Then you're gonna have to stay. Now leave it. Now. Very good girl, Bears. The Bear's got a chicken stick and she's gonna literally inhale it. The Bears inhaled the chicken stickin'. So we got this puppy bad boy that I'm sure we would fill up with peanut butter, and the Bears would make another big old mess. I'm sure we can fill it up with lots of different stuff though. But most importantly, we have the Bears official fidget spinner, Bears. You ready? Look at Bears. So the Bears' favorite toy out of the ceremony is gonna be this dinosaur. I don't know anything about it. Like, what is this dinosaur? What do we got? We got the Bully Make Dino Bone, tough nylon chew. And that's the Bears' favorite. It's gonna be her toy of choice. She's gonna be chewing on it for the next 52 years. And then after that, she'll finally move on to this bad boy guava, which is gonna be filled with peanut butter. And then the Bears' tail is gonna be so long from chewing on it for all these years that she's just not gonna know what to do. She's gonna have to basically cut it off, and then she's gonna eat her tail. So it's gonna be basically a tail to tail. She's gonna have to eat her tail, all thanks to the Bully Make box. So if you're interested in getting this box, there's a bunch of different boxes to choose from. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can go check it out, and hopefully I'm gonna ask them to give me a coupon code. If I did end up getting a coupon code, which I'm hoping to get, I'm gonna leave it on the screen right here on this puppy tree. Actually, it's gonna be over here. It's gonna be right in here. There it is. But seriously, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. It really means a lot. The Bears and I, we really appreciate the button, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Thanks so much for watching, for sharing all the videos. You guys really helped us out. You guys are really making this a lot of fun for us, and it's making being a Bears one. The Bears is being naughty right now. I don't know why. There's not even a dog. Oh, there's a dog way over there. Oh, I freaking literally hate the rain. Bears is like, yeah, I hate the rain too, bro. What are we doing here? What are we doing all this freaking? It's raining every single day. The link warned me though. And now I present to you the most important time of the day. The time to zoom in on this guy's hat. Oh wait, you guys probably can't see his hat, can you? Unfortunately, I'm getting to the point where it's not possible to get through the day without some puppy monst. So, here we go, we're gonna grab the puppy monst. Luckily for me, I'm a wildebeest and I can drink 6 monsters a day and not die from it. Actually, screw it, I changed my mind. I want the red one. And Isaac says he wants to try the blue one.
454, please.
It's the year I was born.
Yeah.
Back in the day.
I don't think so.
She sniffed it. That's progress.
Yeah, this is cool reviews.
Yeah, this is blue apparently. Alright, so my honest cold-hearted review. That's lame. It tastes like juice. I don't want my monster to taste like juice. I want it to taste like Monster. What do you think?
How come everything we review isn't good?
Yeah, everything we review sucks. We gotta stop reviewing stuff. We just make things suck. All right, we made it back. Unfortunately, it's just freaking raining like crazy. And you know what? It's gonna be raining all week long. Every single puppy bad. Oh, I hate when windshield wipers do that. Day. But honestly, it's okay. It's all right. It's all gonna be okay. Because when I bought the bales, I made sure to get the waterproof bales package. So she's not affected by the rain, huh? You're not affected by it, but you're still scared of it. The Bez is terrified of rain. Screw it. I mean, I can't lie to you guys. If I said I was gonna feed her the play button, I'm gonna have to feed her the play button. All right, Mrs. Bales. Well, in the sake of my video not being clickbait, I'm gonna let you eat my beloved play button. All right. You're cut off. What'd you think? You didn't even dent it. Bales, it's indestructible. It's indestructible. All you could do is lick it. But I'm gonna say that counts. I'm gonna say that counts as not clickbait. I think the Bales liked it. I think I'm gonna hang it up on my wall and she's gonna try to pull it down and eat it every single day. But that's not gonna happen, Bales, because you can't jump that high. The great Papa Cleberson C. Wallace 5,000. Thank you, Bales, for helping me get 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Couldn't have done it without you, Bales. That's right, Bales. We're so thankful and we're so proud of you that we're gonna have to hook you up, Bales. We're gonna have to hook you up with one last treat. All right, Bales, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna let you decide. So I'm gonna have to make you sit, and then we're gonna have to make you stay. And we're gonna put one right here, and one right here. And the Bales is gonna pick one of her choice. Whatever one she goes to first, that's the one she can have, all right? Good kill! Oh, the Bales! The Bales is going with the pumpkin pie. Good kill, Bales. You want another one? One more. One more, because it's your special day. Yummy, 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 yummy. That looks like Bales. Is that how you sleep, Bales? I think it is. That's how Bales and Titus sleep together, actually. Check it out. What do you think, Bales? Good impersonation? Good girl, Bales. Get your dinosaur. Get your dinosaur, Bales. Get it. That's definitely the Bales' favorite toy is the dinosaur. She freaking loves it. She loves it. The Bales wants to chew on it. The Bales wants to also... Get it, Bales, get it. Good girl, Belle. Very proud of the Biz. She does such a good job. The Biz is so smart, so talented, and the Biz is so floppy. She's got so many wrinkles all over the face. I just wanna grab them all. And that is where we're going to end today's video, guys. I wanna thank you so much for watching. Now we have a slight dilemma today. We have so many things that we could end this video on. I just don't know what to choose. Like, we could end it on the puppy brand new bad boy license plate. We could end it on the puppy bad boy brand new cocky boy. We could end it on the brand new cocky boys that are upstairs, the cocky boy pillows. We could end it just on like the Bez's big fat butt right there. You know, there's so many things, so many options to choose from. But regardless of what we end the video on, it doesn't change the fact that I want to thank you so much for watching. And the Bales and I will see you on the puppy bad boy next one. So if you're still watching, I'm assuming that you want to know what's in this room right here. I'll tell you one hint, it's a small room, but there is something in there. And a lot of people want to know what's in here. I'm just not sure this might be it though. You might actually find out what's in here. You might actually not find out today.